Welcome to eBOM's Computer Education Training channel. Please subscribe to my channel for training in computer education by clicking the red button below the video description. Thank you for supporting my channel. You can buy my book by clicking the link below the video description to support me. Thanks. Let's start to learn. Create USB bootable flash to boot Windows. There are two methods which I will explain to create USB flash drive for boot Windows from your computer, which is by using 1. Rufus software, 2. YuMe multi-boot software. To create USB bootable flash drive to boot for Windows using the following steps as I explain. 1. Download the YuMe software from the Google and follow the following process. To download the software, open your Google Chrome browser and write the following as shown. Then the result appears. Select YuMe Multi-Boot USB Creator, which is the first result, and then scroll down and click Download button to download it. After download finished, then you can now start the process of create your USB for fresh bootable of Windows 10 or any Windows you need to install. 2. Open the YuMe software as shown. Click I agree, and then the following dialog box will appear as shown. In the dialog box above, you need to select the drive letter of your USB device as shown. Before selecting, you need also to plug in the USB flash drive in your computer. You can format your USB flash drive if you need it, or you can leave as it is by select the box in the right side of the dialog box as shown. If you have any data stored in your flash drive and you need it, I advise you not to format your flash drive. Instead, leave unticked the select choice or copy your data to another place. Step 2. Select a distribution to put on F. As shown, you need to upload a copy of Windows 10 from your computer in order to create bootable as shown. After selecting your distribution, the dialog box will look like this. Step 3. You need to browse your copy of Windows from your computer in order to proceed for the creation of your Windows setup as shown. The file you upload must be ISO files. After that, click Create and then wait for your software to finish the creation, and then your flash will be ready for using to boot Windows. As shown. After the process finish, click Next as shown. But we'll ask you to add another ISO file, say no and continue. Then click Finish as shown. Method 2. Using Rufus software for create USB bootable drive. You can download this software directly from Google search by type Rufus for bootable USB drive as shown. Then select the first result as shown, then will directly to Rufus website for download this software as shown. Then scroll down and find the Rufus download version 3.21 and click it to download. After download finish, select the software to open it as administrator as shown. After, the following dialog box will appear as shown. In the drive properties, if you put your flash drive in your computer, it will be detected after start Rufus. If not you detected, you need to plug in your USB drive in your computer, and then it will automatically detect flash drive as shown previous, which is drive letter F. Step 2. Boot selection. You need to select ISO image for boot as shown. Press select button and browse your Windows files. ISO from your computer as shown. Go to partition scheme, select the partition like MBR or GPT, depend on your hard disk partition. You format your hard drive. For now we'll use MBR partition because if your computer boot in legacy mode you must use MBR, and if it is UEFI you need to select GPT partition scheme as shown. Step 3. To the format option you have a label which you can write Win10 as shown and select NTFS format if you flash is NTFS. If not, select FAT32 for older flash. USB 2.0 which is legacy mode. For UEFI mode you need NTFS format as shown. After that, click Start. Please, if you save any data in your flash drive, copy it another place before you click Start, otherwise be ready to lose all your data. So back up all your data before you proceed further. You can buy my book by clicking the link below the video description to support me. Thanks. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the red button below the video description.